You have seen shorts like this all over YouTube. If you haven't, these shorts are about history. They are really easy to create and look engaging because who doesn't want to learn about history? High engagement means viral video. We will create these videos 70% with the power of AI. So stay tuned till the end of this short video and you will exit with the valuable information. Come to ChatGPT and ask it to give one historical fact to fit in a 30-second YouTube short video. After ChatGPT gives us the fact, ask it to give 5 prompts based on the historical fact to generate images with Leonardo AI. It will give us 5 prompts to use. So now come to Leonardo AI and paste one of each prompt like this and repeat. If you're not happy with the results, regenerate again. If you're happy with the results, come to 11 labs for AI voices. Paste the script we generated with ChatGPT and choose a good voice. Then download it. After that, come to CapCut for the editing. We did everything for the AI part. Now we need to do the CapCut's editing manually. Get the images and the voiceover on the timeline. After that, cut the empty parts of the voices and adjust the images according to the voices. Then come to animations and add animations to the video. Come to combos and see which one looks the best. I'll use this too. If you're happy with that, come to effects and I will add fireplace effect to the whole video. Lower the capacity and add more effects. You can listen to the audio and add effects according to the voice. If there's an explosion, add an explosion sound. All of the sound effects can be found right over here. Then come to the audio library and search for intense music or an action music. Choose any you like and adjust it according to the video. Now come to text and add auto captions. Choose an engaging animation, font and color and you're good to go. If you want to add something else that you like, I'll say go for it. But other than that, you're good to go and that's all with the editing. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. I'll surely answer you. Thank you so much for watching till the end and I'll see you in the next video.
Did you know that the Great Wall of China is over 13,000 miles long, built over centuries to protect against invasions